What's poppin', Mayhem Goddess crew? In today's video, I will be going over the Pat McGrath Mothership and the Mothership 5 palette. I know I'm team extra late, but Pat McGrath is kinda expensive. So, as I was remodeling and taking a break and being sick, I decided that I wanted to splurge a little bit. And by a little bit, I mean like almost $300 for 2 palettes. Anyway, I decided to do that and come to you guys and tell you my thoughts and opinions on the Pat McGrath. I do have 2 different eyes going on. Later on in the video, I'm going to ask you if you like the gold one or the red one and give you my final thoughts on it. So let's get it poppin'. Okay, eyes already primed. I'm going to go into the Mothership palette and I'm going to be applying the Mothership just on the left eye, which is my left, your right. And the first color I'm going to dip into will have to be Disobedient, which is that dark brown on a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to be packing that color in there. I think I'm gonna go with a halo eye today, so we gonna have 2 different eyes going on. Now that we have that all done, I'm going to go into this color called Entrapment, and this is still the same exact palette. And I'm gonna be using a fluffy brush, and this is more of a lighter brown, and I'm just going to place that up above here, trying to blend those colors together so I ain't got this, you know, weird jaggedy line, because this is my left eye and my left eye is my nemesis. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to clean out the area of where I want to make my halo at and clean that up. Because you guys know I like it to go kind of high, and I like it to go kind of high and make this fan effect, so that's what I'm gonna do. Choices. I love every single color in this Mothership palette, but I think I'm gonna layer 2 colors together. I'm gonna dip into Blitz Flame, put that into the center, and then after that, I am going to layer a little bit of a rose gold on top. Let's get it done. Now I'm going to go back into Disobedient, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of blend those 2 colors together just a little bit and bring this in just a tiny bit. Now I'm going to be going into Skin Show Divine Glow and putting that a little bit on the brow bone just to give us a brow bone highlight. Just a tiny bit, because boy, her stuff is pigmented. My gosh. Okay, so once you're done, it should look a little something like this. Now I'm going to move on to the Mothership 5. And this one has, I think it has about the same amount of shimmers in it. What am I gonna do? I'm not gonna tell you guys the steps, because it's gonna be the same thing from this side to this side, just different colors. So let me figure this out real quick and I'll be right back. So I think what I'm going to do is go into the color Deep Shade, which is this light brown color. Hopefully it don't come out looking almost exactly like this, which I almost think it will be. We're gonna find out. But I'm going to apply that in this corner and that corner in Eyes Be Back. So that completes this look. I can't determine which one I like better because quite honestly, I think both of the browns and both of the palettes are exactly the same, except for one's a little bit more softer and the other one's a little bit more darker. You tell me which one you like the most. I really had high hopes for the olive gold color, which is called, let me look for it here. Now I done mixed everything up. Which is called Gigabyte. I had high hopes for this one, and quite honestly, I think this would be fine just as its own. So with her palettes, I'm learning, because this is one of my first palettes I've gotten from her, like the actual palette. I'm learning that a lot of the colors that are in here can be worn by themselves. Like, you don't have to do much to make a statement. And so far as with the red one that I have on this one right here, really love this color. Really love it. You tell me what you think. Which one do you like better? Do you think it's worth $125 each for the palettes? Or I think she had all three or all four for like $300. Some type of deal that she had going on. So you let me know down below what you think. I want to know your honest opinion. And until next time, it's been me, your girl, Mayhembeauty, and I will see you in the next video.